With all the different knives out nowadays, still sometimes don't you just find yourself wishing you had that one knife that was everything you wanted? Easy to draw, light, comfortable, sharp, strong, did everything you wanted to do. Don't have to mess around pulling it out of your pocket, out of a sheath, opening it. That it everything, all at hand's reach, and available at all times. Well, I've designed something like that. It's really cool. You've probably seen one other like it in the world, but I believe mine's better. So I'm going to show you that now. Okay, all of these have one thing in common. They all have a blade. They're all sharp. Some have more than one function. Some even come with a sharpener. Some have scissors. Some have pliers. Some clip on your belt. Others go in the sheath. Some you have to twist open. But wouldn't it be cool if you had one that was always available? Let me show you what I made. Made this quite a while ago, but a friend of mine said I should put it on YouTube. Show some of the possibilities of things you can make. So I was thinking, rather than fumble around with all those sheaths and reaching in your pocket or in your pack, your little zip pack, or pull out a knife, how I could have 4 blades all at hand grasp at all times and come up with this. This is not just another multi-tool video. Got a deerskin glove, Home Depot, center cut out. Thanks to fast forward, freeze, and rewind, I was able to watch Mr. Kruger make his. This is an exact copy, all except for the way he fastened this to make this hinge. My way is a lot stronger. Got a sheet of aluminum here, some rivets coming from the inside of the glove, fastening it here. This is one piece coming up and over, a dowel through here, a washer at either end, some brays on either side of the washer, another bent piece of aluminum, Healy arced on some aluminum blades. The reason I didn't use steel is I don't want to go to jail. Repeated 4 times. Fingers go in. I made these at each place where my finger would bend. So it works. Pretty cool, huh? Can you imagine hiking with this? You got your trekking pole in one hand. You flay your trout. People saw me with this when I made this, and they said, only someone like you would come up with this. But I don't think it's only somebody like me. Possibly where I worked at the time, I was the only one like that. But I think there are a lot of us out there. I've seen it on YouTube. This one guy had a really cool Oh, Wolverine. He made an incredible Wolverine one. I've not seen another Freddy one to best mine yet though. So this is the glove I made. It's a Freddy Krueger glove. I made it while I was working at McDonnell Douglas in Long Beach about 10 years ago. Since then it's been seen by thousands. It's been to many conventions. It's even been in the costume dance contest at Halloween. Won an award. I've had dozens of offers to buy it. It's not for sale. Since I take it to places, that's the reason for the aluminum versus the steel. I don't want it taken away, or ticket, or go to jail. Many people through the years have said this fits my personality, including my niece Amy up in Washington. I've never been able to figure out why, but if you guys can figure that out, leave it in the comments down below. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. If not, perhaps in your nightmare.